Hello everybody, Patrick here. So welcome to the tutorial for one more of our very cool softwares that we have available at Web2.0. So this is a very powerful software that creates your automatic accounts and blogs on 50 different websites in one single click. So let me show you how does it work. So when you open the software for the first time, this is the screen that you'll see. If you just browse down, you can see the other softwares that are available on our websites, and you can download them from here itself. So this particular software has three different tabs in it. The first one is used for registering your accounts on 50 different blogging sites. The second module is used for automatic email verification, and the third module is used for your submissions on the blogging sites. So I'll start with the first module here. This is used for automatic account creation on 50 different websites. You'll just need to provide all these details here in these boxes, and then when you hit the play button, it will automatically go to all those 50 websites one after other, and it will create your accounts. So this module has the first variable that you see here is a delay. You can just leave it blank if you want to go by default. If you are on a very slow connection, then you can set a delay to a higher value. If you are on a fast connection, then you can very well set it to 0 or even leave it blank. So this is the CSV file that you need to browse. This is the place where it will save all your login information for the accounts that it creates on your blogging websites. This is the captcha option. You can select manual or deCAPTCHA here. So I'll go with manual for the time being. If you are using deCAPTCHA, you have to have an account with deCAPTCHA.com, and you'll need to provide your login credentials in the deCAPTCHA.csv file that is provided with the software. Now after that, these are 4 boxes that say first name, last name, username and password. You can very well leave these boxes blank, and it will generate random usernames and password, and it will create your accounts with those usernames and passwords. However, if you want to go custom, you can define these variables here, and it will use only these variables while creating your account. This is the email box. You need to provide a valid email ID so that you can receive the verification mails in your account, and you can activate your accounts before going to the submission modules and posting your articles on those websites. So I'll just enter some email here. I'll use this one at yahoo.com. I'll select CSV file. You can select any blank CSV file in this module, and it will save your login details in that CSV file automatically. So I'll just select this file. I'll hit open button, and then I think we are good to go. I'll just hit the play button. So it will go to alive.not.dead. That is the first site where it is configured to create an account. It will fill all these details. It will go to the next tab. It will ask for the captcha. Since I've selected manual here, I'll have to enter the captchas manually. If you want to go automatic, you can very well select the deCAPTCHA option there. So I'll just enter the captcha. I'll hit the OK button. Now this is the third page. It will fill up all these details in the third page also, and then that is it. It has already created an account for you on alive.not.dead. Now it will go to the second website in a while, and it will create your account on the second website. So maybe I'll just pause the program here and show you how does the next modules work of this software. So when you go to the email verification tab, you can enter your email ID and password here, and it will go to your email account and verify all the emails that it gets from the sites that you have created your accounts on. So just let me show you a couple of things and how does this module work. So I'll just use the same email ID that I used while creating the accounts. Then I'll use this password here, and I'll hit the stop and then the play button. So it will go to yahoo.com, it will log in, and it will go to the inbox, and it will find all the mails that it has received from those websites. You can see that alive.not.dead mail is already there in the account. So it will go to that email and it will click on the activation link to make sure the account is active, and you can start submitting your articles on that website. So it will go to the second mail, then it will go to the spam folder to see if there's anything in the spam folder or not. It won't find it. I don't think there would be anything in the spam folder. So after this point, it will just log you out of the email account, and then this module is done. So now it will go to the submission tab, which is the third tab, and it will post your articles on all the websites where it has created an account. So before going further down into this module, I'll just go to the folder that is provided with the software, and I'll explain what do all these files mean. So this is a bloglist.csv file. It contains all the information for the websites where you create an account and post articles. So as you can see that we have already created an account on Alive Not Dead. So it has saved the email, username, password for the site Alive Not Dead. After running the article submission module, it will also post the article, the URL of the article in the fifth column, which is column E. Other than this file, there's a body.txt file that contains the body for your messages, for your articles that you want to post. It supports spin tags as well as the HTML tags. This is the proxy.txt. Here you can define your proxies in the proxy:port format, and it will use a random proxy while submitting your articles for each of the websites. This is the subject.txt file. In this file you can define your titles in the spin tags, and it will use one random spin from your spin tags to use as the titles for each of the websites. Then there's a tags.txt file where you can define the tags for your article, and I guess that is it. So I'll just go to this module. I'll hit the browse button. I'll select the same CSV file that contains my login for the Alive Not Dead website. I'll enter delay as maybe 10 seconds. I'll select captcha as manual, and I'll hit the play button. So technically it should go to Alive Not Dead website. It should log in there, and it should post your article on the website. So as you can see, it just opened Alive Not Dead. It is logging in. It just logged in. Then it will go to the post article page, and then it will post your article there. So it just came to the publish entry page, and here it will post the subject, the body, and then it will hit the submit button. And you can see that it is already showing a page that congratulations, your request has been successfully completed. Now it will go to the page where it has posted the article. Then it will just log you out of that website, and it will continue with the rest of the website. So now if we go to the bloglist.csv file, you can see that the URL for the article that it has just submitted, it's already there in the CSV file. So I'll just copy this URL, and I'll open the same article on my Internet Explorer and see. So yeah, as you can see here in this article, it has already posted the article as well as a random link. So it generates these links automatically within the software. The links are created using a very intelligent and random pyramid structure, so that it gives you maximum value for your money website and leaves a minimum possible footprint. So I think we are done with this tutorial. Thank you for watching it over.